the LG B100 user here, and today I'm doing the video on the BLU View for straight talk wireless. So this is the first one by BLU for straight talk. So if you guys like blue phones and want straight talk, you guys can check out this phone here. This is a budget smartphone, so do keep it in mind. So the model number is B100DL. So this is the phone down in front of you. It's a pretty okay design, I guess. Like I said, this is a budget smartphone, so you will get what you pay for here. So this is the front of the phone. You guys have the earpiece, front-facing camera, power and volume keys are on the right side of the phone there, and you have your Android buttons down there. On the right side of the phone, like I said, power and volume keys. On the back of the BLU View 1, you have camera flash, the blue logo here, track phone logo, and your speaker right here. So pretty basic there. Especially this one, like I said, they're not that great, but this is a budget phone, so you do get what you pay for it. So it does have 4G LTE, which is a win. It also has Wi-Fi 802.11 BGN, Wi-Fi direct and mobile hotspot is available in this phone here. The display is 5.5 inches. That is 480 by 960 pixels, so that's a really low display there. You have a 5 megapixel rear facing camera and a 2 megapixel front facing camera. 13.3 hours of usage time, 2 gigabytes of RAM, 16 gigabytes of RAM. Your dimensions for the BLU View 1 is 5.6 inches height, 2.8 inches width, and 0.4 inches depth. So there you guys go. It says introducing the BLU View 1, filled with amazing features such as 16 gigabytes of internal memory, paired with 2 gigabytes of RAM, Android 9.8 Pie OS, battery-friendly quad-core processor, and much more. Alright. And the BLU View 1 is $39.99. So like I said, this is a budget smartphone. So this version here do reflect that. So you did get what you pay for here. So if you guys are looking for a backup phone or whatever, this one not bad for $40. If you lose the phone or phone breaks, it's $40. Who cares? The specs on this one again, like I said, your dimensions are 5.6 inches height, 2.8 inches width, and 0.4 inches depth. The BLU View 1 weighs 5.4 ounces. You do have a removable battery, which is a win. 2500 milliamp battery is removable, so that's an easy win. So that's a win there. 13.3 hours of talk time, 20.8 days of standby time. It is CDMA, GSM, and LTE. Says it has both. It's kind of interesting that it says CDMA and GSM on there. And what you guys get in the box on the BLU View 1 is the BLU View 1 smartphone. You get the charger, battery, the facing card, services guide, and quick start guide. I'm sure that it's micro USB charging port on this. It says a service plan card is required for activation. Plans are not returnable or refundable. Service plan card is required for activation. They said it's renewable and online. Text B100DL to 611 for mobile storage. Okay. So it has Android 9.8 Pie, which is a win for that one. 16 gigabytes of internal storage, 2 gigabytes of RAM, and you do have a micro SD card expansion up to 64 gigs, so take advantage of that. 8 megapixel rear facing camera with LED flash, plus a 5 megapixel front facing camera, and you get 1080p video recording on the rear camera and positive front camera as well. You have a quad-core processor. It's a MediaTek 6739 1.5 GHz quad-core processor, and it is a 64-bit processor there, so that's pretty nice. You do have 5.5 inches display. It's an FW plus display. That's 18 by 9 at 480 by 960 pixels. So really low display there. But this is a budget phone, so you do get what you pay for here. So if you guys are looking for a backup phone, a first month for your kid or whatever, the BLU View 1 could be worth checking out for that. It's $39.99, so this is a budget phone, so this is a budget phone in every way possible. So do keep it in mind. So this is the first phone from Straight Talk. This is the first blue phone for Straight Talk, so this is pretty interesting. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up guys, if it lets me know a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.